Good afternoon, friends. In this presentation of mine, now I'm going to focus on the various areas where simulations are being, studied, or I would say, are designed in terms of the codings and the manner the predictions are being made or the conclusions are arrived. I would like to go ahead and showcase those things also. Now, when I was looking at the simulations and I was requested if I can, know more about them in different domains. Now, I was surprised that I thought it is one or two areas where, seriousness towards the simulation studies are being taken care of. Now, being very serious students of the cognitive sciences or mind, I would say, I came across that yes, you can simulate a lot of things. Now I've seen a lot of projects being taken care of, and I would say that yes, Python and R, both of them have been very useful for me as a programming language. So some of the areas that you can look for, now I'm really citing it from the industry itself. One is the airports. Now you can see, if you are if you are passionate about aeroplanes, airports, the way the roadways are made for landing or for the cargo pickup or delivery kind of a thing, or the luggage dropping or picking up of or the ticket counters that you have got, entry of the passengers via the arrival gate or the departure gate. I mean, they have done so much of studies that I was myself amazed to see that yes, these kind of problems which was are presented to us, how they are tackling and how they can really wonderfully present it. Now similarly, restaurant. Now, for example, let's say me, my family, along with some of our relatives, are going for a dinner tonight. Now I know when I place a call, my family members definitely go ahead, they place a call to the hotel or the restaurant and say kindly reserve a table for let's say around 20 people who are coming in, and our table should have so the kind of things that they ask us, is what the solutions are, and simulations come in. Similarly, if you are visiting let's say Taj Hotel or any of the hotels, five-star hotels which are pertaining by the Welcome Group or the other hotels, I should say. Now the moment you get down out of the car, the Darban who is standing at the gate, and if you can just see, just behind him there is a man with the computer and everything. Now if you look at the system that is taking care of the car parking, the way the I should say the guests are arriving at the hotel, and the way the rooms are booked or the buffet system are being arranged out, or let's say suddenly new guests are arriving and then they have to take care of it. So there's so many things. So simulations in that manner are really helpful for not just for the hotel industry. I have seen even for the restaurants also, especially if you go to Domino's or Pizza Hut, if you are even for Sagar Ratna or Dash Prakash, if you go, you will I'm just naming some of the hotels, and you can look up for yourself. Burger King. Now I keep looking the manner at the metro station. Burger King restaurant is something that outlet, I would say, not a restaurant, it's an outlet, and you will see that it's always jam packed with the students or the young youth or the office goers, whatever the crowd is like. You can just look at it and you need to understand how the entire thing is being managed. Similarly, mechanics, if you go to Hero Honda, or for car washing, or for heavy vehicle washing, sometimes, now when you look at those washing stations, you are surprised as to how they are dealing one after. Now, if you look at the codes, sometimes it seems as though one machine is talking to another machine. If you have seen the movie Chitty, what is this, Chitty Chitty Bang Bang, Now, if you will see how one car is falling in love with the other car and the way they are interacting with each other, you'll be surprised to see that when I watched that movie in my childhood, I was wondering, whether in reality the cars speak to each other. However, now when I sit on a let's say steeringless car by Hero Honda or some other cars where you don't, because I'm a very poor driver, I should say I'm a very disastrous at my driving and I hate to drive sometimes, and I've been advised also not to. However, when I see the new cars coming in, I don't have to, because I just have to give a code to the car and I say that I have to go from here to here. So but with the help of the GPS, it drives on its own. The speed is controlled. I don't even have to go ahead and move the steering wheel. So I'm very comfortable, and being a typical female in that manner, I'm satisfied that yes, I won't be in danger. However, if my mother is sitting next to me, she has a problem, what will happen? That's a machine after all. You need to take a control of the car. And I just look at her and then I think, okay, maybe there are chances. So what are those chances? How you can make is being taken care again by these simulations itself. Now, government agencies, definitely yes, a lot of activities, a lot of projects which you can see. I'll be showcasing to you later on. Maybe I have shown to some of the students, however maybe here also I have to showcase as to how we can grab those projects and allow our students to work on them. Robotics, my favorite area again. Now this is something is always attracting me, and I keep looking. It looks it's a wonderful area to study more. Artificial intelligence, definitely yes. Python and R are moving, and we know how much of effort and how much of advancement has taken place in the field of artificial intelligence, banks especially. Now, I would say simulations, and I'll be showcasing some of the examples of the simulations for tackling various problems at the banks, and that's a new area. And I have seen some of the theses being written on these kind of solutions which are being provided to the banks, and I think this is the reason why I thought I should come up with the new playlist, so that other students and scholars are also aware, and these turn out to be the new areas to go ahead and ponder upon, number one, and to do research also. Similarly, financial studies, we will look more into it. Logistics and supply chain, railways, insurance companies, transportation companies, medical companies, pharmacies, then I have got nursing schools, the entire thing. Hospital management is also one more area where a lot of simulations are taking place, and we will see at least a few examples. I will be showcasing it in terms of the research papers as well as in coding also, and to understand what interpretation is being taken care of for those results which we are coming, or do we need to change those results also or not. Now, similarly, these are the domains which I have seen till date, and I've been able to, not all of them have been mentioned here. Now, for example, I have taken care for mechanical, computer sciences, information technology, electronics and communications, electrical engineering, because I gave a series of lectures, so I'm aware of it. Electrical engineering, aeronautical studies, definitely yes, you need to understand and see how those transport systems, pilot systems, and which are being taken care of, how they are being handled. Business studies, we will see some of the examples: finance, commerce, economics and education. So you can see, and though there are other domains also like cognitive sciences, psychological studies, and I would say even certain social and humanities studies also, we will find out whether humanities, I'm so sorry, whether there also we can use. Of course, yes, I have started using in film studies, as I have showcased to you just one example I have given. There are more into it, and then we can go ahead and we can try to take care of it. So these are some examples that I wanted to showcase and show you that yes, there are so many areas, so many domains which are there where e-simulations have already started taking place for us, and a lot of solutions have been given to the society through Python as well as R. So that is the importance of those two programming languages, apart from the, and proprietary softwares that we have got, then the free and open sources are also available for simulations, and we will see what they are. So thanks for watching, and let me come up with yet another video presentation of mine. Thank you. Bye.